Looking for a powerful tool that helps you display your data in style, whether you're looking to customize donut charts to match your site's design, update data points easily, or seamlessly integrate dynamic charts into your site, this app has got you covered. Head to the Wix App Market and click Add to Site. Also, this is how to add the app through the Wix Studio Editor. Head to the Add Apps menu and search for the Donut Chart app. Then click Add to Site. To make the widget responsive on your desktop and mobile site, you'll need to stretch it to cover the full page. After clicking on the chart settings, here is how you can change the partition data. You can change the number of partitions and then select the partition you'd like to edit. Here we'll change the partition label, then add its value. Keep in mind that you're changing the data point values. The percentage will be calculated based on these values. Here we'll also change its color. Additionally, here is how you can choose between multiple donut chart types. Lastly, don't forget to save and publish your site to preserve your editing. If you found this video useful, please like or leave a comment. It helps immensely. Feel free to contact us if you need any further help. Thank you for watching.